morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know we need to put our energy into the basics and let go of excess. They want us to come home to ourselves. And our loved ones say, open your heart, slow down, and celebrate yourself. Relax, everything is going to be okay. It's time to do little things for you. You're a wise soul and you already have the answers within you. There is going to be an event that is going to bring you joy, and the unicorn spirit wants you to know that you are a healer and you have the power to help and heal others. You are being divinely guided on the path. So carry on with what you're doing. It's going to pay off. You'll find that helping others is actually helping you. There is a protective charm around you, and this is going to bring you safety and peace. So stay light-hearted and keep it. It is just that time. You'll soon see that this change will make you things better for you. Carry on nurturing yourself and your loved ones and others, and even your resources. You have left the past behind and you're moving forward with your own determination. Where there's been misunderstandings, your fortune teller card says your intuition is your greatest guide and you trusting your inner voice. There has been forgiveness and it's time to let go of anger and blame. You're making good choices for yourself and others, and sometimes it's the only choice that you could make under the circumstances. You've tried out a lot of things and you're in a mode now to wait and see how things are going to unfold. Um, the Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles popped out at the same time, and this means there's money coming our way and divine wishes are going to be granted. It's something that's coming our way which you never envisioned for yourself. And our loved ones say that we must stay positive. Your thoughts can shape your experience. Have a lovely day. Love you all.